Morning. Today I thought I'd make a spicy sweet corn chowder soup. From Slimming World. It's off one of their pre-frozen, and as all Slimming World stuff from Iceland, it's got the recipe somewhere within the packaging. So today we're going to need one large onion, roughly chopped, small leek, roughly chopped, potato, peeled and diced, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 cans. I use 4. I'm just trying to keep the label out of the way so I don't get done for advertising. Now it says I've used stock cubes, 1.5 litres of boiling vegetable stock. Now I don't know if you know, but vegetable stock cubes have got gluten in them, and these stock pots don't have any gluten in them at all. So we'll go with the stock pot, which is gluten free. So just put it in there. Already boiled the kettle. $120ml, which is, that's a litre. We'll add a little bit later. Also we're going to use some chilli, some chives, and some Greek yogurt, but I don't add the Greek yogurt until I've defrosted and warmed it up, because it separates a little bit otherwise. Just a little tip there. Right, so roughly chop the onions. Let's get the bowl out. Won't take me long to chop these. Peeling tip. Top and tail your onion, so there's no root on your chopping board. Cut it in half, and then you've got your access to your skin, so it's really quick. Just like that. Roughly chop. And in the bin. Right, my leek's been washed. Wipe that down. I want to yield as much taste out of these while it's boiling, so I'm just going to cut them in half. Give them a bit of a dice. Right, that's those. For the stock pot. Now, garlic. Top and tail it. That one's already peeled, so it doesn't matter. Peel your garlic, top and tail it. Just give it a little tap like that. Expands the garlic, rips off the skin. Just roughly chop that. Like that. Pan. Right, let's have a look at these ingredients. Put the onions, leek, potatoes, garlic, 300 sweet corn and stock into a large pan over a high heat. Bring to the boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. So Just give that a stir. So, just going to give that a stir. Add the water, drain potatoes, add the potatoes, I'm going to put 3 of these, actually 2.5. Back in a sec. Okay, so add those to the pan. I'm going to bring that to the boil. I'm going to use the saucepan lid. Saves energy. Makes it boil quicker. Okay, so I have cooked my ingredients, left it to cool down slightly because I don't like chopping stuff that's boiling in the food processor. So what we need now is another pan. I have one here. I prepared earlier. Okay, so don't overfill. That's when accidents happen. Okay, so it's my chowder done. Just going to take a bit of green there. Oops. Chilies. Remainder of the sweet corn. Excuse me. Bring this back to the boil and then season with salt and pepper. I'm just going to do some chives. Scissors. And add these to the pan. Okay, the soup's been warmed up, chives have been put through it. Just going to season it to taste. Divide it between 4 vessels.